another Pontiac Strategy Spotlight. Today, we'll be talking about direct response. These campaigns are designed to drive conversions such as e-commerce transactions, registrations, form fillouts, and more. First thing you'll need to do is build and place pixels for your campaign. Enter the advertiser you wish to set the campaign up in, and then select New Conversion Pixel. Here, you'll give your pixel a name and select the trigger type. You can select between post-click, which will measure transactions after a user clicks on an ad, post-view, if someone transacts after receiving an ad, and hybrid, which will measure both. You'll be able to separate these two types in reporting. You can also set your custom attribution window, both for post-view and post-click. The last piece is the minutes between conversion. This will help dedupe any conversions made by mistake and require a certain time duration to be set between a conversion of the same user. For campaigns that are being delivered outside of the web environment, you can create an IP conversion pixel. This allows conversion measurement to be done through the IP address, so that way, ads delivered in CTV, we can measure on devices like mobile phones and desktop and laptops. To build one of these, simply give it a name. Once you've selected which conversion pixel you'll be using, click on the blue hyperlink and access the pixel code. For regular conversion pixels, you'll be able to add in macros such as order ID, so you can pass back an order or transaction ID, as well as revenue, which will show you the amount that transaction was worth. This is a great way to do return on ad spend reports to see how much revenue you've driven off of campaigns in Pontiac. If you're not using conversion macros, take the pixel code as it is. If you're adding them in, select the correct checkbox, and then you're able to grab your pixel code. The options are Java and image. Now we can begin to set up our campaign. For this, we're going to go through the same naming process and selecting our inventory and creative type. The only difference here is for the KPI, we're going to select CPA, or cost per acquisition. This will change the campaign optimizations to try and find the users and locations that convert at the highest rate. Input your budget, flight dates, and bids, and then select how you would like your CPA to be weighted, whether you want to try and find more post-click conversions or more post-view conversions. Continue the setup with all your exchanges and geo-targeting, add your creatives, and now it's time to add in our pixel. Click Associate Pixels and navigate to your conversion pixel. If you're using an IP conversion pixel, that's 2 steps down at the Associate IP conversion. Once you've double and triple checked all of your settings, you can now submit this new line and launch it. Now that your campaign is launched and live, you can access reporting specifically on conversions. Navigate to the Reporting tab and to the Custom Reports. Select Conversion Reporting and then enter in the line item that you wish to run a report for. You'll see the options for date, which will show you the day of the conversion, the pixel, if there are multiple conversion pixels, the order ID that would populate from that macro, the line item it came from, and then your metrics, such as post-click and post-view revenue, which will show you the transaction amount, and then post-click and post-view conversions, which will show you how that transaction took place. Now you have a live campaign and active reports to show you how well it's working. Now your direct response campaign is all set up, and thank you for watching.